Ladies and gentlemen, this event has been made possible by the Unza Law Association, and they saw it very clear to make sure that it is a success. It was supposed to happen last week, but there were a lot of ups and downs, so they decided to say, let's push it to a later date. And because of that decision that they made, this event is seemingly a success, isn't it? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call upon the President of Unza Law, His Excellency, to address us, George Sikusangibeo. Your Excellency, sir.
Good morning. The Dean, School of Law, Assistant Dean, School of Law, senior lecturers present, members of the University of Zambia Law Association Executive, members of the University of Zambia committees, chairpersons and their vice chairpersons, and indeed, ladies and gentlemen. It is my honor and privilege to welcome you to the University of Zambia School of Law. The School of Law was established in 1967, long before some of us were born. But ladies and gentlemen and esteemed members of the faculty, you will agree with me that our school is a powerhouse, the mitochondrion producing Zambia's sharpest legal minds. It is not about the fancy-looking buildings, nor about the eye-catching regalia. In this profession, in this particular field of study, it is about the prestige. And for an institution to be prestigious, it must have a record. The School of Law has created a record that will forever defy the odds and set itself as the epitome of legal excellence in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, not so long ago, all the three arms of government were led by former students of the University of Zambia School of Law. The executive was led by His Excellency President Edgar Chagwalungu. The legislature was led by Speaker Patrick Matibini, and the judiciary was led by Chief Justice Irene Chirwa Mambilima. May her soul rest in peace. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a record set by the best legal institution in the country. And like that is not enough, ladies and gentlemen, the current president of Zimbabwe, His Excellency Emerson Mnangagwa, is a former student of the University of Zambia School of Law. Furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, the School of Law houses the University of Zambia Law Association. The association stands as a bridge between the School of Law management and the students. And as president of this esteemed association, I would like to urge you, our first-year students, to make use of the association. Actually, misuse the association, because this is your home for the next 4 years. The association provides for more opportunities away from the lecture theater wars, moot court competitions, seminars, coach tours, powerful mentorship talks by big names in the industry. Also internship opportunities, recreational activities such as sports, music festivals, food markets. We are promising you the best experience outside those lecture rooms. The guest of honor, Madam, the Dean of the School of Law, this association is led by 9 passionate students. I would like to also state that this particular association is cut from a different material. This material is tailored with transparency, accountability, and innovation. This particular orientation speaks to the many successful events that will be held under my regime as president of the University of Zambia Law Association. Guest of honor, Madam, I should state that this is a type of student representation that will always seek to dialogue on matters affecting our students. This is a new representation of student interest. This year, the association is being guided by the theme, Taking Unza Law Back to Chala. This is not only a metaphoric play of words, it is a call for action. This is a call to all our students to put in the effort that is needed in order for the School of Law to keep the record that the people that have gone before us set. Ladies and gentlemen, and indeed esteemed members of the faculty, allow me to preempt some of the great works that the association is planning to do this academic year. Number 1, the Come Back Home campaign. The Come Back Home campaign is an alumni student initiative aimed to create a fostering relationship between the alumni and the current students. This campaign will give an opportunity for the alumni to give back to their alma mater and also the association. Number 2, the Keep DRGS Clean and Green campaign. This is a campaign that will awaken the surroundings at our lecture theater. This campaign will run for the entire academic year for every last Saturday of the month. We will be pleased to have members of the faculty to launch this particular event. Number 3, the association will have secondary schools awareness campaigns. With this campaign, the association will be visiting secondary schools in order to create awareness about the law. we have planned to visit almost 6 secondary schools in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, and indeed esteemed members of the faculty, this among many other activities will make it possible for us to realize the dream of taking back Unzalo Kuchalo. In conclusion, the University of Zambia Law Association would like to thank management for always standing for the interest of the students. And to our incoming first-year students, we will urge you to believe in yourselves as you take this journey and make sure that you take Unzalo back Kuchalo. Thank you very much.
Powerful submission by His Excellency George Sibuzanimbeu. George was elected president last year. There's a distinction between being elected and being appointed. When you're elected, you're put into power by the people. And the power that the people have is greater than those that are in power. George understands this concept.